Good morning, Mossy Creek. This is Mctv. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Your weather today will be sunny with a high of 66 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 19 degrees Celsius. Our word for May is determination, and today it says, our big idea this month is determination, deciding it's worth it to finish what you started. President Barack Obama said, quote, "The best way to not feel hopeless is to get up and do something. Don't wait for good things to happen to you. If you go out and make some good things happen, you will fill the world with hope. You will fill yourself with hope." End quote. President Obama speaks of determination and the importance of deciding it's worth it to finish what you started. We have one birthday today. Mr. Scott Wolf is a 5th grader in Miss Sargent's class. Happy birthday, Scott. I hope you have a wonderful day. And no real announcements today. Make sure you're finishing your work. Make sure you're checking in with your teachers. Don't forget to be extra good because it's Teacher Appreciation Week. I have a special announcement for 4th graders. I need some Mctv crew members, so if you are interested in being on the crew, please use the flip grid that your teachers will send you, and we're kind of using that as an interview. So make sure you speak clearly and tell me why you'd like to be on the Mctv crew. 5th graders, you guys are going into middle school, which means you're going to get some more clubs and sports and things to choose from, and I've got one for you today. So if you're a 5th grader, listen up. This is a video on the mountain bike team that White County has now. It's new. Mountain biking's been around for a while, but White County just adopted it as a sport last year, I believe. So check this out. That's a great sport. My son joined 2 years ago. We've been on the team for 2 years, and we've had lots and lots of fun traveling around and riding on different tracks and camping, things like that. So if you're interested, make sure you pay attention to the dates at the end for the meetings, because you need kind of a special bike to ride, and they'll tell you everything you need to know. If you want to email me about that, you can, and have a great day. Tomorrow's Friday.